Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Annie J, and today I'm doing something slightly a little bit different. I'm taking it back to beauty just for a hot minute, okay? Because I wanted to share with you guys this foundation that I bought. Now, if you have watched any of my other makeup tutorials, you will know that I do not wear foundation. The last time I wore foundation was probably over 15 years ago. It has been ages. But I decided I wanted to start switching things up a little bit. I just want to keep things looking fresh and young. So if you want to know about this foundation that I have purchased that gives me the most flawless look, and I am going to demonstrate that for you today, and be sure to stay tuned and I'm going to be right back.
See the new girl vibe, she in her stride, she goes side to side, she goes tap 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 tap. See the new girl vibe, she in her stride, she goes side to side.
Okay guys, so let us get started with it. So I have washed my face, okay? My face is dry as heck, right? I've washed my face. I'm going to just put on my normal moisturizer and what have you as normal. And then I'm going to show you this foundation. So just to give you guys a bit of a heads up, this is the foundation that I have purchased. Their advert popped up one day when I was streaming, watching a movie or something, and I was like, oh, that foundation actually looks decent. And I never click those adverts, but on this occasion I just had this urge to click it because I really liked what I was seeing, so I did. And they claimed you can buy your foundation online, you just have to take a quiz, and I was like, how real or serious is this? Is it something that actually works? But if you're like me, when I shop and buy a new product, because guys, I buy almost absolutely everything online. You'll rarely find me out in shops unless I'm out eating. Other than that, when I'm making purchases for new products, I do buy everything online. So I was like, I'm going to give it a go. However, I wanted to see what other women had said about their products. So I looked at the reviews and I looked at their score on Trustpilot. So I didn't just go off of the reviews on their own website. Their ratings looked pretty decent. So I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a shot. I filled out their quiz. I ordered this online, never tried it, going in blind according to their own recommendation, and guys, amazing results. So I'm going to show you how this looks. So let me moisturize my face first. Now, disclaimer, I have already got eyelashes on, but I literally just wanted to put this on directly after washing my face so you guys can see. I need a real mirror, not just my camera. So this is just Baby Johnson's lotion, which is something that I've been using forever. My mum was using Baby Johnson on me as a child, and I have never stopped using it. There is that. And then once I've used my Baby Johnson's lotion, I do also like to use, you guys know I love my bio oil, which is down to the wire. I don't put too much. Gives me a nice glow. Okay, and we are done. So now that I've done that, I'm not going to put, because I want you guys to see exactly what this foundation does. I'm not going to put on anything else. I'm literally now just going to apply the foundation. I'll do one demo with me applying the foundation with nothing else on my face, and then I'm going to do a demo with me doing my usual makeup routine. But I want you guys to see, let me get closer, exactly how this foundation looks. Here's my foundation. Now, I don't use a lot because I don't like to cake my face. This is the whole reason why I stayed away from foundation in the first place. And if I show you, there's my foundation brush. You guys see that? Right? Okay, I know some of you are probably thinking that's barely anything, but this is my life. I really don't like using that much. So that's how much. Okay, guys, you are my witnesses to how much foundation I have literally just put on this foundation brush. I'm just going to apply it, okay? So I'll put a little bit here, a little bit there. You guys see that? Okay. And just a bit on my forehead. And then I'm going to blend it now. My eyebrows are microbladed, so guys, this is actually insane. how nah, it's unreal. Can you guys see? And I probably don't even apply it properly, right? Because I've not used foundation for so many years. So I'm just like, right, I guess I just need to get it all over my face. I'm not a makeup artist. But nah. I ordered this thing online. That's the part about it that is crazy. Never tried it. Just filled out their quiz. I don't know how you pronounce their name. I think they're called, I don't know, ilmakiage. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. That's how I'm pronouncing it. But yeah, it came in this fancy box. Right? You see? Very, like, very nicely wrapped up. And look at my face and my body. You know, sometimes people wear makeup and their face and their body look like two different colors. Nope. This is, you guys can see, you're looking at me in the video right now. Okay? That this very much still looks like me. I don't know if I have to... Guys, it's nuts. It's actually nuts. Nah, I'm so impressed. And then literally once you're done, just apply like your lip color or what have you. Like, and that's me out the door. Guys, this foundation is a game changer. Okay, so I'm going to do this again. I'm going to wash my face and I'm going to go back through this applying the foundation. But this time, I just wanted you guys to see the difference before and after using purely just the foundation. But this time, when I wash my face, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I say full glam, but I don't really actually wear that much makeup. But I guess full glam in a sense. You guys can see like the potential, but this foundation is crazy because the fact that all I did was fill out a quiz and then they match based on your responses. I'm impressed, people. I'll pop a link to their website in the description box below, but I'm now going to go wash my face and then we are going to do a full face of glam and see how we get on. Okay, ladies, it is time for round 2. Okay, so I've washed my face now. So for those of you who are wondering what colour it is that I was paired with the colour 210. Probably can't see that. Pretty small, innit? It's colour 210. Now this time, like I said, I am going to do my full makeup routine. So you can see what it looks like when I have all the extras. Oil. Guys, can I just say also, their customer service was A1. If you've been around on my channel for a while and you've seen my beauty videos as such, you will know I don't do things under sponsorship. I review products that I find and purchase like full price myself. And if I feel like the product is good and I want other people to know about it, specifically women, then I will create a video like this to share my experience of the product in case it is something that you have been looking for and you feel like based on my review of the product, you also want to get it. So this is not sponsored at all. Found these guys randomly, purchased foundation, haven't worn foundation for more than 15 years and I am so ecstatic. I actually put my old address on the delivery by mistake because I haven't changed it on my PayPal account. I got in contact with their customer service and a really lovely lady called Holly responded to my email almost about, I would say, an hour or less than after I sent it, letting me know that she had updated my delivery address. Sometimes they don't get to the emails in time because they ship so quickly, especially if you are ordering from the UK as a FYI. And she was able to get in there in time and change the address and the product did come to my correct address. They definitely get a 10 out of 10 for customer service from my experience. So far, these guys, I cannot fault them. So let's get started. What I'll do first, now I'm not going to go through and name all the products I'm using, but if there's anything you see me use that you want to know what that is, please drop a comment and I will respond and let you know. The main point of this particular video is more to share with you guys my experience with this foundation. So first up, concealer under my eyes. That is literally all I was using before I got the foundation. So and for those of you who have been wondering, because I haven't done an eyebrow tutorial for a long time. I actually got my eyebrows microbladed whilst I was in Ghana, because doing them was always the part of my makeup routine that used to just grate on me. I decided to just get them done semi-permanently so I don't have to worry about them. My sponge. My concealer is pretty much done. Then I use setting powder, just a tad. Now, after my setting powder, what I tend to do, I still have an eyebrow pencil, because when I did get my eyebrows microbladed, I was only there long enough to get one coat. So I'm actually going back to Ghana next week, and I will be going back to my beautician to have them topped up. But in the meantime, I can just use my pencil. Okay, so that has given my eyebrows a bit more definition. I just go over the microblade. The foundation is next, and I am not going to put too much. You guys see that? Like, I barely, because I don't like a really heavy coverage. I like it to look natural, so I'll apply that now. Try not to, do you know what, probably need to off my headscarf so I can get my forehead properly this time. Guys, I am actually in love with this foundation. Oh my days. Look at my face. It shocks me that much. How do they do it? How do they match you from a quiz? Guys, either way, whether it's science, whatever they're using, it's amazing stuff. Now I've got my foundation on. Next up is blusher. I'll be honest, you probably can't really see the blusher when I put it on, because I would say it's about the same color as the foundation, coincidentally. Here's my blusher by Too Faced. If I apply my blusher now, what I also do now is use a little bit of a red tint in addition. So hopefully. Last but not least, Vaseline and lip color. It's by Revolution. It is the color 107. Oh, hi Annie. Guys, this foundation has changed my life. And look, my face and head still looks like it belongs to this body. Like, for real. No, these guys are geniuses. I don't know how they work it out, but they are geniuses. Well, guys, this is it. I will pop the link to their website below. You take a survey, okay? I'm legit, that is it. Based on the survey results, answer the questions as honestly and as frankly as you can. And what I did is I actually did the quiz 3 times. I got the same result twice and another result once. The result that I got twice is the foundation I ordered, and this is the result of that. I cannot commend them enough. Their customer service is brilliant. I got my items within, I think it was maybe 2 working days from ordering. This is what my face looks like when I've been abroad and I've tanned. I just have this smooth glow look. And now, knowing that I can have this smooth glow look, even when in winter, game changer. I hope you do like it. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. I know I don't do too many makeup videos and things like that, but I had to share this because I am absolutely in love now with this bottle. If you are digging the way this looks, go do a quiz on their website. I was so skeptical, I done it 3 times and I went with the majority result. I am ecstatic and very happy and satisfied. So if you like it, ladies, be sure to check them out. Get one for yourself. Honestly, like, it's just amazing. Anyway, if you want to ask me any questions, if you want to know about any products I've used, if there's anything about the foundation or the process that you want to know, please don't forget to drop a comment in the box below. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that like button. And as you guys know, I talk about various different things, but they always circle around beauty, well-being, and just living a fulfilled life. So guys, until my next video, which is probably likely to be about my nails because I haven't done an update on these for a hot second. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And until next time, it's your girl, Miss Annie J. I will see you guys soon. Bye.